House Bill 1296 by Representative Kagan, concerning the temporary continuation of the state sales and use tax on cigarettes.
Representative Kagan.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Members, I move House... do I move the House bill at this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I move House Bill 1296.
To the bill, Representative Kagan.
Members, House Bill 1296 is part of the budget package, and if it passes, it will increase revenues to the state of Colorado by approximately $27 million. Actually, with the passage, if the Senate bill that we just debated is passed and signed into law, that means that the cigarette tax bill will actually raise about $28.2 million. So, what does this do? Right now, under current law, there is a sales tax on cigarettes of 2.9%, which is about 14 cents a pack. But that sales tax on cigarettes is scheduled to expire at the end of this fiscal year on June 30th this year. If this bill is passed, that 2.9% sales tax on cigarettes will continue for 2 more years until June the 30th, 2013. So the question is, should the sales tax that is currently charged on cigarettes at 14 cents a pack continue for another 2 years? If you believe it should, then please vote for 1296. Members, I would point out that if we pass this bill, it was part of the budget package. It was one of the assumptions that this bill would pass that enabled the whole deal to be put together. And if we don't pass this bill, we will have to find $28 million from somewhere else, or simply cut the education budget by $28 million. So I urge a yes vote on 1296.
Representative Giroux.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Members, this is, I believe, the last bill that we'll be hearing tonight. This, as Representative Kagan said, this is a part of the budget balancing package. We've all had to vote for things that we weren't comfortable with, and we voted for those things knowing that we were balancing the state budget, which constitutionally we're required to do. Representative Kagan knows how I feel about this bill. He knows how I feel about this tax. He and I debated this, and we fought this when it was first implemented. I don't like this at all, but I'm willing to do this because I care that we balance our budget, and I care about the negotiations that took place in good faith, the bipartisan negotiations. So I ask for an aye vote on this bill.
Representative Court.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Well, unlike Representative Giroux, I am super comfortable with this tax. Cigarettes kill. I've lost 3 family members to lung disease. I think it is high time that we make certain that we are collecting tax, because guess what, folks? These people need health care down the line, and this is part of the money that helps to fund the health care that they're going to need. So this makes a great deal of sense, and I urge an aye vote.
Is there any further discussion on House Bill 1296? Representative Kagan.
Members, I'd like to thank Representative Giroux for her very principled stance on this bill. I understand that some of us, including me, are not comfortable imposing a tax on anybody for anything, and I urge an aye vote.
Is there any further discussion on House Bill 1296? Seeing none, the question before the Committee of the Whole is the passage of House Bill 1296. All in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All opposed, no? No. The ayes have it. House Bill 1296 passes.